Hey gamers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing the labubu. This is my first ever one. So here it is. It's in like Japanese or whatever. Alright, so without further ado, like and subscribe, and let's get to it. I'm gonna open him. Oh, there's tape. There's some, I've seen it all over YouTube. There's some fake ones. I don't know if I got a real one or a fake one, but my brother does have one. Alright, it's opened. Alright, let's see what I get. Oh, there's a bag. There's a bag. This is the bag, guys. It's cute. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Alright, I'll let you take first guesses. I'll let you see it first. Oh, it's actually pretty cute. I mean, yeah, it's pretty cute. And I think this is an official one. Do you guys think this is official? I don't know. Wait, did I get? Wait, let's see. I don't know what should I think I got. Did I get the secret? If I got the secret, that would actually be insane. I don't know. Guys, does this match with the others? I'm confused. I think this is the secret right here. Did I get it? I don't know. I think I got the secret. But I will, guys, let you name him in the comments. Oh, there's something else. It's like, oh, it's a card. That's cute. But anyway, I will let you guys name him in the comments. But he's pretty cute. He's pretty cute. But yeah, you guys name him in the comments. And I'll see you next time. Jacob.